I'm Jonathan Leonard. I've been at the university for 4 years. I started here in 2017 studying a bachelor's or a BEng in automotive engineering. I graduated that with a first class honours and I passed on to studying a MSc in manufacturing engineering within the same faculty. My diagnosis was quite broad. It was quite, I didn't know the whole sort of extent of it. I mean, I had my assessment done here to sort of, it was sort of more ease of things, but also it was more the comfort of knowing the staff here as well. But the actual aspect was finding out I've got high functioning Asperger's. I suffer from Meares-Irlen syndrome, which is a bit of visual stress, and then I struggle with some of my writing, but I still try and write as best I can. Seems to be hit and miss day in, day out. I remember taking the time out of a maths class from my engineering course, and I was like, I wasn't too happy about missing a class, but then again, you know, it was for an important bit of trying to find out a little bit more about myself. And, you know, finding out a little bit more myself, it sort of helped realise, you know, there is support available to sort of help with the aspect of I've got a little bit of a different understanding of the way I perceive things. It's impacted me in the way that, hang on, I have got these sort of things, but I'm not going to let it get the better of me anyhow. And I'll keep pushing onwards, upwards, and, you know, try and help others, regardless of how I am. I'll always try and help. There's no harm in making use of the support services here. I mean, you know, the actual support services here are so broad and wide that, you know, you can get support in pretty much practically anything. The staff here go well out of their way in many ways to sort of make sure, you know, that they can find the best support or provide the best support possible to sort of advance you through. And I mean, literally, where I am now, I wouldn't be as close to where I am now to finishing my masters. I am actually thinking of progressing onto my PhD. As a result, as well, knowing that the support services are here are really, really good, and, you know, the department themselves being able to sort of provide that level of support, it's been crucial to myself, and I would say it's crucial to others.